If Steam won't launch, games refuse to update, downloads keep failing, or you're constantly seeing Steam-related errors despite having a working internet connection, your antivirus software may be the cause. Antivirus programs are designed to protect your computer from threats, but sometimes they mistakenly identify legitimate Steam files as suspicious. When this happens, Steam may be blocked from accessing the internet, updating files, launching games, or even starting at all. The good news is that you can usually fix these problems without disabling your antivirus permanently. In this video, I'll show you how to stop your antivirus from blocking Steam and ensure both Steam and your security software work together properly. The first thing you should do is determine whether your antivirus is actually causing the problem. Temporarily disable your antivirus protection and then try launching Steam, downloading a game, or performing the action that was failing before. If Steam suddenly starts working, you've confirmed that the antivirus is likely interfering. Remember to re-enable protection after testing. Next, add Steam to your antivirus exclusions list. Every antivirus program has a slightly different interface, but most include an area called exclusions, exceptions, allowed applications, or whitelist. Open your antivirus settings and locate this section. Then add the Steam installation folder, which is usually located at C, Program Files x86, Steam. This tells the antivirus to ignore Steam files during scans and prevents them from being blocked. In addition to the main Steam folder, you should also add your Steam library folders. These folders contain installed games and update files. If the antivirus scans or blocks game files during downloads or updates, installations may fail. By excluding the Steam library folders, you reduce the chances of future conflicts. Corrupted Steam files can sometimes trigger antivirus warnings as well. Open the Steam installation folder and delete the app cache folder. Steam will automatically recreate it when launched. If necessary, use Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files feature for affected games to restore missing or damaged files. If Steam still appears blocked, try running Steam as an administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to access protected folders and network resources that security software may otherwise restrict. As a final solution, repair Steam without deleting your games. Open the Steam installation folder and keep the Steam Apps folder, User Data folder, and Steam.exe file. Delete everything else and then launch Steam.exe. Steam will download fresh program files while preserving your installed games. This can resolve cases where antivirus software has damaged or removed important Steam components. To summarize, if your antivirus is blocking Steam, first confirm the antivirus is responsible by temporarily disabling it. Then add the Steam installation folder and Steam library folders to your exclusions list, restore any quarantined files, allow Steam through Windows Firewall, update your antivirus software, clear Steam cache files, run Steam as administrator, and finally, repair Steam while keeping your games if necessary. These steps will usually eliminate antivirus-related conflicts and allow Steam to function normally again. I hope this tutorial helped you stop your antivirus from blocking Steam. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Steam troubleshooting guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.